Hey guys, it's Tuesday, 5 p.m. Just doing a quick update. A lot of gust. Hasn't rained too much yet. So far so good, I guess. But it's gonna get worse. But we're ready. Ready as we can be anyway. Just worry about one of these big trees coming down on the house. Got my generator positioned, plugged in, ready to go, topped off with fuel. So we need that. So I got my solar shut down because I see it's charged to 100%. So we're running 100% on utility. So usually when we have a storm like this, I like to charge the system up, charge the batteries all the way up, and then switch to utility, and we won't switch back to this until the utility goes out. That's the plan anyway. Should probably be sometime tonight. But at least we'll be starting with a 100% battery. Alright, well, I think we've done about all we can do to get prepared. And the eye wall is pretty far south of here. But things are pretty bad down south. So I don't know what we're going to get here over the next 12 hours, but hopefully not too bad. You can see the outer bands. So anyway, just a quick update. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one.